Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am just going to get straight into this. Today's look is going to be featuring the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette because Sephora has just been getting all of my coins this year. But yeah, we're gonna talk about that at a later date. I am going to a Great Gatsby's theme end of year party. So I decided, why not let this look be my holiday look number 2. So as I'm getting ready, I just decided, you know what, let's film this look. I have an idea of what I want to do in terms of the look, but we'll see how it comes out. So if this video is on YouTube, that means it made it. If it's not, then hey, goes in the archives. But yeah, so without any further ado, let me stop talking. This is going to be a voiceover because I don't want to be late. So yeah, let the filming begin. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
All right, beautiful people, we will be getting started with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. Yes, I am excited. Going in with the color Saturn, I will be buffing that all over my eyelids. Paying close attention, I want to stay on the eyelid and in the crease. I want to just make sure that all of that color is completely blended on both of my eyelids. Now next, going in with the color Parallel from that palette, I am going to start smoking out my crease and just make sure blending that dark color directly into the crease area. Now mixing the two colors Throne and Osiris, I'm going to continue to smoke out that crease with a little bit more shimmer. Now using the Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette, I am going in with the color Cleopatra to add that nice bright pop of blue that I want for this look. That's going to be my staple color for this look. Now using soft ochre, I am going to just mute out the middle of my lid, and that's where I am going to add the pop of gold. Using the Pat McGrath Mothership 2 palette, I'm going in with the color Bronze 005. This is definitely one of my favorite gold colors. So I'm going to pat that in the lid, making sure the color is covering the soft ochre. Then I'm going to take my blending brush by Delium and I'm going to blend out the edges, just making sure everything is nice and seamlessly blended. Alright, so now I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line using the colors that I used in my crease. I'm going to make sure I smoke that out just to add a little bit more of a sultry look. Then I'm going to go in with my favorite color from this palette, VR Nectar. I love to use this as a highlight, and I am going to put that in my inner V. Now I'm going to brush off that setting powder that I used from Laura Mercier, of course. And you know the routine. Going in with dark mineralized skin finish from MAC. I am just going to buff that all over my face, followed with Fashion Fair Sable. Well, actually that's Cola, the Fashion Fair pressed powder in Cola. And then I am going to chisel out my cheeks using the color Fever, also by MAC. Going in with this beautiful burgundy or aubergine, I think it's called, Sephora lip liner, I am going to line my lips. And then, of course, you guys know what the featured color is. All right, here's that feature color. I am using Stunna by Fenty Beauty. Love this beautiful red lip color. It is so rich, so luscious, and I absolutely loved it. Check me out, check me out, check me out. Now I'm gonna add my little fake mole because of course this is a Great Gatsby theme look and it's not complete without the mole. Setting my makeup. And yeah, this is the final look, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed it.
All right, everyone, here's the look. I love how it came out. Fenty Beauty on the lips featuring Stunna by Fenty Beauty. Lip paint, Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism on the eyes. And yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching. I gotta run. I'll post the pictures at the end of this video. All right, happy holidays. Bye.